Welcome to our video on the 8 best fruits for nerve damage. Living with nerve pain and discomfort can be tough, but what if relief could be as simple as adding the right fruits to your diet? In this video, we're counting down the top fruits that are scientifically proven to support nerve repair and improve overall nerve health. Packed with essential nutrients and natural compounds, these fruits might just be the key to feeling better and staying healthy. Ready to discover which fruits can make a difference? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 8 is blueberries. A handful of tiny blueberries can be a powerful shield for your nerves, as these small blue fruits are packed with antioxidants that are essential for your nervous system. Antioxidants are special compounds that can protect your cells from oxidative stress. This is important because too much stress can harm your nerve cells. One of the main antioxidants in blueberries is called anthocyanin. They help reduce inflammation in your nerve cells. By decreasing inflammation, your nerve pain will also be reduced. A study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that people who eat blueberries often have healthier nerves. They may even help slow down the aging of your nervous system. Toss them in your morning cereal or oatmeal. They're great in smoothies too. For a quick and healthy snack, just grab a handful of fresh blueberries. Eating about 1 to 2 cups of blueberries every day is a good goal. That might sound like a lot, but remember, you don't have to eat them all at once. You can spread them out over your meals and snacks throughout the day. Blueberries are also full of vitamin C, K, and A. All of these vitamins work together to keep your whole body healthy, including your nerves. Adding blueberries to your diet is an easy and tasty way to help protect your nerves. So next time, don't forget to pick up some of these powerful little berries. Our fruit at number 7 is avocado, a toast topping that could be a secret weapon for nerve health. Let's peel back the layers on this creamy superfood. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that your nerves love. These fats, especially one called oleic acid, help keep your nerve cell membranes in good shape. These fats act as a protective coat for your nerve cells, helping them send signals more easily. They are rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, so it also fights off harmful substances that can damage your nerves. Research shows that eating avocados regularly can help reduce inflammation in your nerves. This is great news because less inflammation often means less pain and better nerve function. Avocados are also loaded with potassium. This mineral is very important for your nerves because it helps them send signals properly. One average-sized avocado has about 20% of the potassium you need in a day. There are so many other ways to enjoy avocado. Add sliced avocado to your salads for a creamy texture. You can also blend it into smoothies for a rich, velvety drink. Or make a quick guacamole for a tasty dip with veggies. Here's an interesting fact about avocados. In some cultures, they've been used for centuries to help with nerve-related problems. People believed that avocados could soothe nerve pain and keep nerves working well. Now, modern science is backing up what these cultures have known for a long time. Coming in at number 6 is oranges. From creamy green to vibrant orange in color, this fruit packs a surprising punch for nerve health. Oranges are like vitamin C powerhouses. They're packed with this important nutrient that does more than just fight off colds. Vitamin C plays a big role in making collagen. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that supports and protects your nerve fibers. By eating oranges, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep your nerves strong and healthy. They're also full of antioxidants called flavonoids. These special compounds act like little shields for your nerve cells, protecting them from damage. They might even help your brain work better and reduce inflammation in your nerves. Scientists have found some exciting things about vitamin C and nerve health. A study from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows that vitamin C is really important for helping nerves grow and repair themselves. This means that eating oranges regularly could help your body fix damaged nerves faster. Adding oranges to your daily diet is easy and tasty. Of course, you can just peel and eat them as a snack. Try adding orange slices to your salads for a zesty kick. You can also squeeze fresh orange juice into your morning smoothie, or grate some orange zest into your baking for a citrusy flavor. Here's some information about oranges. The peel of the orange is actually really good for you too. It contains compounds that might help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. Eating oranges regularly is key to getting all these great benefits for your nerves. Aim for 1 or 2 oranges a day, or a glass of fresh orange juice. Now, let's turn our attention to another good surprise for your nerves. At number 5, we have strawberries. They're also packed with antioxidants, and one of these special antioxidants is called ellagic acid. They're also bursting with vitamin C, just like oranges. This vitamin is super important for your nerves because it helps keep your nerves' protective coat strong, which help to send signals more quickly. The Journal of Brain Research shows that eating strawberries regularly can help reduce oxidative stress in your nerves, and this is helpful because less oxidative stress means healthier nerves. Eating strawberries might even help your brain work better. Some studies suggest that the compounds in strawberries could support cognitive function, which is also closely linked to nerve health. Now you might be wondering how to add more strawberries to your diet. Try adding sliced strawberries to your morning cereal or oatmeal. They're also fantastic in smoothies or on top of yogurt. For a quick and healthy dessert, dip whole strawberries in a bit of dark chocolate. Yum! Remember, to get the most benefit for your nerves, try to eat strawberries regularly. Aim for about a cup of strawberries a few times a week. At number 4, get ready to uncover the hidden talents of papaya. Papaya is a nutrient-packed tropical fruit that's bursting with goodness for your nerves. It's loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, two powerhouse nutrients that play a big role in keeping your nerves healthy. Vitamin C makes your nerve fiber structure stronger and helps them work properly. Vitamin A, on the other hand, is crucial for making sure they can communicate well with each other. But what really sets papaya apart is a special enzyme called papain. This unique compound has caught the attention of scientists because of its potential to reduce inflammation, as they have found that it can help calm down inflamed nerves. There are lots of ways to enjoy this tropical treat. You can simply cut it up and eat it fresh or add it to your morning smoothie for a vitamin boost. Try tossing some papaya chunks into your salad for a sweet and tangy twist. You can even grill papaya slices for a unique dessert. At number 3, we have pineapple, which isn't just a tasty and spiky snack we know. It's also known for repairing nerve damage. Pineapples mainly contain a very unique enzyme called bromelain. It helps reduce inflammation in your body, including in your nerves. When your nerves are inflamed, they can cause pain and discomfort. Bromelain helps ease the inflammation, which can make your nerves feel better. But that's not all, because it's also rich in manganese, a mineral that helps your body make special enzymes that protect your nerve cells from damage. This also plays a big role in helping your nerves function properly. It helps your nerves send signals correctly and also supports nerve regeneration. Studies have shown that bromelain can help reduce pain and inflammation in various conditions, including those affecting nerves. To enjoy pineapples differently, try adding pineapple chunks to your smoothies for a sweet kick. You can also grill pineapple slices for a tasty side dish or dessert. For a savory option, try adding pineapple to stir-fries or salsa. Sliding into number 2 are bananas. Those yellow curved fruits you see in almost every kitchen are not just tasty, they're packed with potassium, a mineral that helps your nerves send signals throughout your body. They're also uniquely rich in vitamin B6, which is a big deal for your nervous system. It helps make important chemicals that your nerves use to communicate. The potassium and vitamin B6 in bananas work together to support your nervous system. Also, eating bananas often might even help prevent some nerve-related problems. The nutrients in bananas can help keep your nerves strong and healthy. Eating them plain is great, but there are so many other ways to enjoy them. Try adding sliced bananas to your morning cereal or oatmeal. They're also fantastic in smoothies or on top of yogurt. For a quick and healthy snack, spread some peanut butter on a banana. Try to have a banana every day if you can. Your nerves will gain beneficial effects from the potassium and vitamin B6 boost. Finally, at number 1, we have apples. What if I told you that the saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might actually apply to your nervous system too? Apples are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your nerves, and one of these is called quercetin. It fights off harmful substances that can damage your nerve cells, and research shows that quercetin might even help reduce the risk of some brain diseases that affect your nerves. They're also full of fiber, which is great for your gut health. A study in Frontiers in Neuroscience suggests that there's a strong connection between your gut and your brain called the gut-brain axis. This might be because of all the good nutrients in apples working together to keep your nerves healthy. There are so many ways to enjoy apples beyond just eating them fresh. You can add sliced apples to your salads for a sweet crunch. Also, try making a homemade applesauce. For a warm treat, you can bake apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Different types of apples have different amounts of nutrients. For example, red apples usually have more antioxidants than green ones. But all apples are good for you, so pick the kind you like best. And there you have it, the 8 best fruits for nerve damage. Blueberries, avocados, oranges, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, bananas, and Apples. With all these fruits we've talked about, you have a whole team of nerve-protecting foods to choose from. Did any of these fruits surprise you with their nerve-healing benefits? Have you already been enjoying any of them in your daily meals? We hope you found this exploration of nerve health both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on healthy living. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content and raising awareness about important health topics. And if you'd like to show your appreciation, please consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise. Every bit of support helps us bring more informative content to you. Thank you for watching and take care of your nerve health.